Hi and welcome to InStil Design. Today I'm in West Berkshire revisiting clients that have renovated their chalet style bungalow, and we are going to have a look at their contemporary and practical ensuite shower room. Layers of lighting. Lighting is always important in any bathroom to give the different moods. But in this space, which is not particularly big, it's 2.7 meter long by 1.7 meter wide with an L-shaped shower. We have managed to get a lot of storage. Double vanity unit with 4 drawers and a cupboard. Axo basin tub. Mirror cabinet with double-sided mirrors, shaver socket, wash basin light and upper lighting. More storage in the wall above the toilet in form of a recessed wall cabinet with a push-open door. Practical and high output towel rail by Bisque that keep your towels dry and warm. And then some more storage behind the toilet in form of recesses for rolled up towels. Shower tray by Fiora and a bespoke shower seat with light underneath. Practical for filing your feet or shaving your legs. Axo shower valve. And recesses for your bottles to keep them away from the seat. Thermostatic shower valve is always important to have, and I always recommend a hand shower in the shower areas, which is useful for everything but also mainly for cleaning purpose. Overhead a big shower and again with quite a lot of integrated lighting, as this shower hasn't got that much natural light coming into it. Shower door by Majestic Showers. All bathroom furniture and the double basin are produced in Sweden by Svedbergs. The toilet comes from Italy and is made by Catalano, and the toilet frame and flush plate is by Geberit, made in Switzerland. All tiles are from the Spanish supplier Saloni and are durable porcelain tiles, and we have used large format tiles to avoid too many grout lines to make it future-proof it to be long lasting and easy to maintain and